adventure. Thank you for viewing this video. It's like we are in one of our favorite fishing spots. Medyo malamig. I don't know what to expect here right now. Hopefully it turns out well. It's our first time trying our inflatable boats. Later I'm gonna let you see how we set it up. Stay tuned. See you later.
Flooring muna.
Ha?
Floor muna.
Ano, ipapatong ko lang?
Lagyan muna natin ng ano, yung patigas sa gilid.
Bago mahampak na. Bilis sa battery.
Ha?
Isang bar na lang agad oh.
Puta, may batila ka pa?
Wala na.
Hayop! Ano ba naman?
Teka lang. Alyan, abot yan.
Lak yun ha. Hop. Ano, motor mount mo.
Alright. Done at last. Look. That's our setup. Oh, first time for the year. Putting them out. Let's see. Lawrence, sarap ka, Lawrence. Oh, Lawrence, sarap ka. Oh, first fish. First fish. Nice, good job. Woohoo! Let me wear my life jacket. Okay, moving to a new spot. Let's go. Hindi tayo kaya ng angkor. This is what I'm using. This is supposed to be for ice fishing, but I don't know. I already had a bite. Ba, ayaw ah. Naninibago ako. Fluorocarbon kasi. Ayaw ah. Palit. Isa. So, back to the chatterbait. Yun. Okay. Ayaw nyo. There. Palit.
seri. So, just tying my uni knot. Tag end. Destining. Baka gusto nila to. Parang ang bigat eh. Mamalas.
Pinatangin lang nga kami yung tapos.
Ano nga?
Ano nga kailangan? Mas mabigat na jig para lumubog?
Uy, shit! Uy, shit! Mike! Ay, hari sa'yo! Shit! Uy, shit! Mike! Ay, hari sa'yo! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano yan?
Walang hinangin niya.
Ano? Buti na hawakan ko. Walang yaka. That's caught on tape. Walang yaka. Sarap food. Come here. Ay! Where is it? Where is you? Ayaw sa puti eh. Mag-gold tayo. Ayan. Eat. Dali na ako eh. Technically, akin yung first fish eh. Akin. Ha? Higa ako. Okay. First fish. Technically. Help. Teka, tignan natin kung ano to. Teka lang ha. Uy, ang laki. Malaki siya. Sa pikey. Malaki. Malaking, teka lang ha. Yeah. Oo. Yeah, I know.
Ano pala gusto eh.
Yan pala gusto nyo ha. Yeah, I know, right? Oh, bitaw na. Bitaw mo na. Oh, wag na yan. Wag yan. Huy! Okay. First fish. Yeah, I got not that big, but yeah. Okay. Oh, release natin siya. Thank you for biting. Bye-bye. Yun. Bye-bye. Oh. You know what I'm using? Just a regular jig. Tapos ito yung galing sa ano. This is from Temu. I ordered like a few. You know. Meredith. So, soft bait. Yan. This is from Temu. Okay? Yan. Yeah. Yan na. Okay. Gusto mo ba na ito? Meron pa ako. Ayun, meron pa ako dyan.
Malaki ba yan?
Hindi naman. Tayo ako ha. Ay.
Hindi ko na paano lumang ito.
Alin? Hop, that one. Uy, ang laki. Ang laki, Brad. Ang laki. Ang laki, Brad. Hop, that one. Yeah. Oh. Got one. Teka. Hayaan mo na. Teka. Paanohin muna natin. Pagurin muna natin siya. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayun, oh. Yeah. Got one. Yeah. Dali. Oops, dalawa na. Teka. Dadakotin natin ba ano? Dakmain natin. Oops. So, shush.
Pairam nga din yan. Patay nga din. Ano yung bang pedo?
Okay. Second fish. Pike. Second fish. Pike. So, this is the jig that I'm using. Yeah, this one. So, pikey. Bye-bye. Thank you for biting. Bye-bye. Ano, kailangan mo? Gusto mo yan? Ito, dito.
Goal. Yes.
Ganda talaga yung bago. This is got my new... Hindi naman, but it's been a few months since I bought it. It's the first time I'm using this battery. Power Queen. 100 amp hours lithium. So, good. Good job. It's good. It's nice. Ha! 2 fish. Sa? Diba? Good day.
Everybody knows ka.
No skunk, yeah. Lawrence, isa. Ariel, 5.
Mga ganun.
Oh, good job. Nice. Hindi ganyan. Huwag ganyan. Oh, huwag ganyan. Lawrence, alisin mo nga muna yung anchor natin.
Slow flow na lang tayo.
Hindi, kasi ano eh, sumabit ako sa puno. Puno pala. Teka lang.
Oh, hindi kaya mo pala eh.
Yeah, 15-pound test to, sir. I caught a 3-pounder! Yan, and it's on tape. What the heck? Woo! I caught a 3-pounder! No one is skunk. Yes. Good job. Last cast.
I'll do my last cast.
Woo! Lamig. Lawrence, kunin mo na yung ano.
That's a wrap. I don't know how many fish we caught, but for the two of us, like 3. It's not that bad. First try. Thank you for joining us today. See you on the next one.